Hanger 2020. So I wanted to show you guys that you can take a 3D printed part and post-process it on a machine such as a lathe or a milling machine. This one doesn't have a bottom chamfer, and I'd like to put in a mild chamfer in it. I put in a piece of alt right here on the chuck. I just screw the piece in, a little bit of a tighten. You don't need to go gorilla. I use a shaping tool here, as you can tell. This is a piece of high-speed steel. Now we have a nice chamfer here. The chamfer is pretty decent. The part is done. I'm going to do this again. Obviously, the sharper the tool, the better the result is. This is PLA Plus, so it doesn't machine like regular PLA, which is actually, this actually machines almost like ABS does, which is actually, I find it a pleasure to work with. So next up is these knobs that I embedded nuts into. And they're as printed, which is not a bad surface, but same technique, little arbor here, but this time around I'm going to be facing them. down to size. Nice finish. I'm going to put a groove in the middle. Always a lot of swarf left over on these. They need to be deloused afterwards. And I turn it around and I'm going to apply chamfering. Actually, first off is facing cut. Chamfer. I'm going to do that again. I know Harold always says the projects begin on the bandsaw. Well, my project doesn't begin on a bandsaw. I believe it actually ends on the bandsaw. I'm going to cut 2 of these. We also need some stock. Not that one, not that one. Guess that's stock too. Ah, the Scraptanium. Back of the bandsaw, we need 2 pieces at 1.5 inches. Give this thing a crank down. Alright, let's put these together. 2 coat hangers. Let's put them on the door. My drywall square. Can't have screws as coat hangers. In a particular order, I'm going to put these on. I'm actually going to use the original holes. Coat hangers can have coats. They can also have bags, like so, and more bags, and also coats. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.